depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. If you really need an advice, just give us a message sa page namin sa Philippine Dating Coach. Doon tayo mag-usap directly. You have multiple questions and I will assure you that we can answer that and we can give you a proper guidance para sa breakup na to at sa mga seasons pa ng breakup mo na nangyayari. And of course, you will know if you can get your ex back or you cannot, something like that. By the way, guys, our topic for today is this one. Kung titiisin ka ng ex mo, kawawa siya pag ginawa mo ito. Of course, ang mga ex natin, minsan, hindi naman talaga tayo tinitiis kapag hindi tayo mahal. So, kung pipilitin nila, magkakapilitan tayo, dapat nagkakaroon tayo ng mga changes sa sarili natin. Kasi talagang dumarating sa point, this is a challenge eh. Kumbaga sa wild, parang mga hayop na mas malakas ay kumakain ng prey. Yun yung batas sa wild, right? The lion can eat something like mas weak sa kanya. At kapag dating sa wildlife, like sa savanna or sa jungle, kapag yung prey hindi siya ganun kalakas, or isa kang uri ng hayop na hindi matindi or malakas, you are not tough enough, you cannot win the game. Talagang maraming lalamon sa'yo pag nasa jungle ka or pag nasa wild ka. However, in real life, actually, nangyayari ang mga ganyang bagay. If you are not really a tough person, mas madali kang i-dump. Because you're not tough. You're not tough enough, okay? You need to understand what's the meaning of tough. Ang ibig ko sabihin, yung kung sino ka ba, gaano ka ba katigas, gaano ka ba kalupit, di ba? Gaano ka katindi. Kapag kasi you are not tough enough, then kawawa ka pagdating sa jungle or pagdating sa real life. Sabihin na natin dito sa tunay na buhay, if you are not tough enough, then you cannot win. That's very simple. Kaya kung titiisin ka ng ex mo, all you need to do is just to, make up your mind. And I want you to think differently. Kailangan mong maging matibay. Kailangan mong maging bato. Kailangan mong maging manhid. Yan na yun eh. Alam ko you have this, what we call emotion. But right this moment, ayokong paganahin mo yung emotion na yan. Ang gusto kong gawin mo, maging tough ka muna. Think about a white rock. Isipin mo ang isang bato na matigas na dinadaanan ng maraming tubig ng alon sa dagat. Nananatili siyang bato, nananatili siyang matigas, nananatili siyang puti. That's the white rock effect, right? And you need to become like that. Kailangan mong maging ganun. Kailangan mong maging manhid. Dahil kapag hindi mo ginawa yun, ikaw ang kawawa sa ex mo. Mangyayari lang na ang ex mo ay ang makakawawa sa breakup kapag ikaw ay naging tough. That's the key word. It's being tough. Okay? That needs to be understood. Kasi kung naiintindihan mo yun, actually, GG na eh. Tapos na ang lahat eh. Diba? Imagine, after ng breakup, parang magkakaroon kayo ng isang ring. Tapos yung pride mo, tsaka yung pride ng ex mo, maglalaban yan sa ring na parang UFC. Patibayan yan. The tough one will win the game. And you need to be tough enough in order for you to win. Message ko lahat to. Napakaganda nitong inspirasyon para sa mga iniwan. Para sa mga dinamp. Para sa mga dampies. Ito ay isa sa mga pinaka-message ko sa inyo. Come on guys, be tough. Hindi ibig sabihin na hindi ka kagwapuan, hindi ka kayamanan, hindi ka kalakasan, hindi ka kagandahan, hindi kagandahan katawan mo at alam mong wala ka na sa edad or something like yung mga insecurities mo, it doesn't mean that you are not tough. Okay? Being tough is just all about your confidence. You need to be confident enough and to believe yourself. I know it's hard. Mahirap paniwalaan na kailangan mong maniwala sa sarili mo, pero please lang, lagi mong tatandaan na wala nang maniniwala sa'yo kung hindi mo pa paniniwalaan ang sarili mo. Ang tanging maniniwala na lang sa sarili mo ay ikaw. And I know how hard it is. That is why I'm encouraging you. Come on, stand up. Stand up and stand up. Okay? So, yeah, I mean, this is an inspirational view ng point of view ng pagiging tough. But you need to change yourself. You need to change your lifestyle. You need to be tough enough. Ilang ulit kong sasabihin, you need to be tough enough. And you need to believe that. Kasi wala tayong choice kundi maging ganun. Because right this moment, sa kwento at sa nakikita mo, parang ikaw ang nakakawawa. is it the right time para baliktarin naman natin ang sitwasyon at ang ex mo naman na makakawawa, kakatiis sa'yo? Thanks for watching.